Hello friends, it's Kyle from Wyze. Since almost the beginning of time, we as people have been looking for ways to keep our valuables or the stuff that's important to us secure. Did you know that King Tut even had what we would refer to as a safe buried with him in his tomb? We at Wyze are thrilled to bring some 21st century technology to this ancient practice of keeping your stuff safe and secure. That's why we're proud to introduce the Wyze Gun Safe, the quick access smart safe that's certified tough. Today we're gonna give you a first look at what's inside the box and show you some of its great features. Okay, first thing coming out of the box is a smaller, littler box inside your box. Inside the accessory box, you're going to find your keys, as well as a couple of mounting screws. Also, you're going to find 4 included AA batteries and your quick start guide. Safe is going to come with some protective packaging and better be careful because this boy is hefty. I present the Wyze Gun Safe. Boy, isn't that a beauty. Now we'll save you the time in this video of showing you how to set it up, but if you would like more information about that, go check out our gun safe setup video. This safe is constructed out of 12 gauge steel, and the construction of this safe has been certified not only by the California Department of Justice as an approved firearm safety device, we've also worked very closely with a third-party agency to ensure that we've exceeded safety standards. There are 4 different ways to access this safe. First is with the fingerprint. Second, you can use your phone. Or you can use your key. And last, you can use the numbered keypad. And by the way, it's worth noting that there aren't a ton of safes out there that offer all 4 of those options. Now that we have the safe open, let's talk about how roomy it is. This safe has 195 cubic inches of storage space. That means that you'll be able to comfortably fit a full-size handgun and a couple magazines. It'll also be big enough to fit 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of your favorite Beanie Babies. There's also plenty of room in here for, I don't know, passports for a family of 20. A couple other things about the interior of this thing that I think are so cool. It's got this nice felt interior. It's nice and soft, so if you did store valuables that you were worried about getting scratched or dinged, it's not gonna do that. Plus, it's got this foam pad on the bottom that's included. This guy sports no-nonsense 12-gauge steel frame construction with internal hinges and an anti-impact latch, plus extra plating to protect the latch and motor. And that's not all, folks. Inside the safe, you're also going to find 2 LEDs that light up the interior of the safe, making it super easy to see what's inside, even at night. For even more customization, you can adjust the length in which these LEDs illuminate in the Wyze app. The numbers on the keypad also light up for even easier access at night. When I was sent one of these early editions of the Wyze Gun Safe, it actually took me quite a while to figure out where the access port was for the key. And that's a really cool feature that the lock cylinder isn't exposed. It's hidden for additional security. We've included a USB-C backup power feature. So just in case those AA batteries run out, you can use this USB-C port to supply it with power. You don't gotta worry about me. I'm keeping everything inside nice and secure. Now those are some cool features about the safe itself, but let's talk about what really sets this thing apart. And that's the app integration. First of all, with the setup, it is so smooth. The app will guide you through exactly how to set everything up, including the fingerprint. With other safes, you might have to read through a giant manual. The Wyze app takes care of all of that. Now, as soon as you hear a safe has a smart app, there's a natural first thought, and that's, oh no, does that mean that anyone who gets a hold of my phone is gonna be able to get into my safe? Don't worry. There's an app lock. The app lock is different than the number that you would assign to the entry keypad. With this special app code, you can't access any of the features on the phone without first entering that app code that you sent. So even if someone got a hold of your phone, they would still need to know that special code that you've assigned in order to access the features in the app. Now I have access to all of the features for the Wyze Gun Safe in the Wyze app. You can open this safe using your phone. Now remember, it uses a Bluetooth connection in order to open it. So you can't just open it from everywhere. You've got to be within Bluetooth range. Next, in the app, you'll be able to see when it was open and closed, all logged here in the Wyze app. A super helpful feature in this log is it'll also notify you of any failed attempts to access the safe. So here you can see multiple failed fingerprint unlock attempts. That'll let you know if someone has tried to tamper with your safe or gained access without your approval. Now let's go over a few of the ways that you can customize your experience. You can share the ability to open the safe with another user's phone by using the share function. You can also add multiple fingerprints, which must be done on the primary account. Click on fingerprint. You can add another fingerprint. You can name each one. So if you had multiple people or household members that you would like to have access, you can manage the fingerprint access here. The safe can create and remember up to 20 fingerprints and up to 50 different access codes. And one special note about those, the fingerprints and the access codes are not stored in the cloud. They're only stored right here within the safe. You can adjust the sound settings, you can adjust the volume, or you can turn it off altogether. You can also adjust the light settings. You can turn off the light altogether, or you can change the duration in which you'd like the light to shine when you open the safe. So that's the Wyze gun safe. And just like King Tut, I hope that in 1,000 years when they dig up my casket, they're gonna find a Wyze gun safe. And it's gonna be full of NFTs. I mean gold. Lots of gold. We'll see you next time.
I'm the Wyze gun safe. I keep what's inside safe from the outside, and what's outside safe from what's on the inside.